Hey there! In this video, I'm reviewing Vibe Coding, your secret weapon, the tool that lets you build and sell your own software in hours without writing a single line of code. Yep, no HTML, no PHP, no headache. Turn your ideas into income with Vibe Coding. This is the closest thing I've seen to real magic. One user made $2,000 simply by Vibe coding a solution to their own problem. And inside this guide, they walk you through the same process step by step, avoiding all the usual pitfalls. Have you ever wished a tool existed, only to end up cobbling together 3 plugins that kinda sorta work? Or paid for a bloated WordPress plugin with 8 features you'll never use while the one feature you actually need is missing? If you're in the online marketing space, you know the struggle. Software is either overcomplicated or doesn't exist at all. And hiring a developer, expensive, slow, unpredictable. Half the time you're praying they don't disappear mid-project. And even when they finish, it's usually close enough, but not perfect. Here is the truth. Most marketers never build the tools they dream about because coding feels like brain surgery. Even the thought of editing PHP or JavaScript makes people break into a sweat. But what if you could just talk your idea into existence? What if you could describe what you want in plain English and have AI build a working WordPress plugin or app in about an hour? No coding knowledge, no tech skills, no confusion. It's not a dream. It's called Vibe Coding, and it's about to change everything. You simply explain what you want. The AI writes the code, you test it, iterate, and boom, working software. But here's the catch. AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it breaks things. Sometimes it forgets previous instructions. Sometimes it suggests stuff that doesn't even exist. And that is why this guide exists. This beginner-friendly guide shows you the proven primer prompt you should start every chat with, best practices to get usable code much faster, how to avoid debugging loops, how to handle version drift, when to use ChatGPT versus Claude, a simple mindset shift that turns you into a confident project manager, and how to ask for fixes without knowing any technical language. No fluff, no filler, just actionable steps that actually work. You also get a bonus workbook, Vibe Code Your First Plugin, a step-by-step guide that walks you through creating a complete WordPress plugin, a reading time estimator, from idea to code to installation to customization in under an hour. You'll copy and paste prompts, download the plugin, upload it, test it, and finish with a fully working tool and the confidence to build your own ideas. Imagine the possibilities. Create unique marketing tools. Build simple plugins people will pay for. Launch entire SaaS apps. Automate tasks. Sell solutions to other marketers. And turn simple ideas into real income. The best part? You don't need tech skills. You don't need experience. You just need the guide, and AI does the heavy lifting. The creator openly admits, I can't code. I have no clue about PHP, JS, or CSS. Yet they vibe coded a plugin in just a few hours, solved their own problem, and earned $2,000 selling the solution. If they can do it, anyone can. Until now, your options were to live with close enough plugins, pay expensive developers, or spend months learning to code. Now there's a smarter option. Vibe coding. Build what you need. Fast, cheap, and custom. Inside the guide, you'll discover the confirmation phrase that prevents most AI mistakes, how to avoid version drift. Why a small AI subscription can save you hundreds, the #1 thing that causes plugin breakage, 5 ready-to-build project ideas, and much more. This guide costs far less than 1 hour of developer time. Build one helpful plugin, sell it for $27, and just 20 buyers already bring in over $500. It easily pays for itself many times over. Do you need to know code? No. Will AI mess up sometimes? Yes, but the guide shows you how to fix it fast. How long to build your first plugin? Around 45-60 minutes. Can you sell what you build? Absolutely. What if you break your site? Deactivate the plugin. Not tech savvy? If you can copy and paste, you can do this. If you're ready to turn your ideas into income, If you want to build real software without learning to code, if you want faster results, fewer headaches, and more freedom, then grab your copy of Vibe Coding, your secret weapon right now. The link is in the description. Go check it out and start building your first plugin today.